Hi friends, welcome back to my channel chapter 1.
simple sideways. Up like this and down. When you raise it up, the elbow should be parallel to your shoulder. Okay? Like this. Up and down. Exhale up and lay it down. Okay? Simple things. Down. Now, just up. Yes. Look. Up to shoulder. Not more than this much is enough. Yes. One up. Slightly up more. Yes. More. Very good. Upper thighs. Okay, so keep your leg like this, push it up and unlock these things. Okay, and now continuously 1 down, okay, 2 down. Okay, continuously, and after the reps just down. Okay. Yes, and your knee should be straight. Yes, press it up, down. coming on this position. Okay? Look, and first place yourself like this, and your upper body is like go forward like this. Okay? And shift sideways. Again repeat. Shift sideways and sideways and sideways. Okay? Over tight and relax. Slow up, slow down. Push fast, slow down. Push fast, slow down. Down the slow. Push fast, down slow. Yes.